Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Hope you are doing great. This is your math class and I am your math teacher. Let's take out your math countdown book 1. For month of January, the learning objective is about time. Here today we will learn about interesting facts about clock, that is about analog clock. Let's have a look at time. On analog clock, tring tring. Here is a clock. It is used to know a time. The round shape of clock is its face and having 12 numbers on it. I have two hands just like you. Let's us read the time on this clock. The short hand shows the hour. The day has 24 hours. So the hour hand completes 2 rounds in 24 hours. And the long hand shows the minutes. It helps you to read the minutes. Now I will let you know how to read a time. See, my hour hand is pointing at 2 and the minute hand is pointing at 12. This means the time right now on an analog clock is 2 o'clock. Now read and write like 2 o'clock. The front of the analog clock is called the face or the dial. The pointers on the face of the clock are called, the short hand shows us the hour and long hand shows us the minute. Okay, let's see another time on an analog clock. Here you can see the minute point at 6 and the hour hand is between 2 and 3. Now you can call it right. The time is 2:30 or 3:30 minutes past 2. That means it's 2:30 on a clock. Now open your book and turn on page number 135. Write the time shown on the clock. Now students, do you know what time is it on clock? Have a look here. It shows different times of a day. It's about morning, noon, evening and night. In the first clock, you can see the short hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the other long minute hand is on 6. It means the time goes like it is 3:30 right now or it's 3:30. Now on the second clock the hour hand shows on 4 and the minute hand is on 12. It can be read and write like it's 4 o'clock. And on the third clock the short hand is between 7 or 8 and long minute hand is on 6. It says the time right now is 7:30 or 7:30. Now the last one clock, the time it shows the short hour hand is on 5 and the long minute hand is on 12. It means the time right now you can read and write 5 o'clock. So this is how it can be done. Always remember, whenever the long minute hand on 6, you can read and write like by indicating 1/2. Now take out page number 136 and write the time shown on the clock. Complete all the parts in your book. Here you can see a clock. Now tell me what time is it. As you can see, the short hour hand is on 4 and the long minute hand is on 12. So the time you can write and read is it's 4 o'clock like this. Here is another example as you have previously learned about is already. Now find out what time is it. Yes, correct. It's 6:30 or 6:30 because the hour hand is between 6 and 7 and net hand is on 6. So it can be read or write at 6:30 or at 6:30. Now turn on page number 137. Here you have to draw a minute hand and how hand at the clock to show the time. Complete all the parts in your book. The time is given to you only. You have to draw short hour hand and long minute hand and indicate the given time. So draw shorthand towards 8 which tells you hour, and draw long hand towards 12 which tell us a minutes, and read or write like 8 o'clock. In another example, you can see the time is given to you, that is 5:30. Draw short hour hand between 5 and 6 and the long minute hand on 6. Now that can be read or write the 5:30. Okay, always remember the minute hand is longer than the hour hand. Let's wind up our weekly homework. Hope you understand very well. Keep practicing at your home and recall the time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.